Good afternoon, my peeps. Good afternoon, my peeps. What's going on today? It's a Saturday, July 1st, I believe. And so I'm having a late breakfast. I had a late dinner last night, which wasn't too good, but the cheeseburger was on point, though, from Uncle Tommy's. So, how's everybody day? I decided to fix me a late breakfast, which is pancakes, maple, Bob Evans. Oh God, I had to laugh because my sister-in-law, thinking about my sister-in-law. Maple Bob Evans sausages, patties, and a scrambled egg. So, great put my, and I might be drinking some milk today. So how's everybody weekend going so far? I hope everybody is enjoying it some. Oh, and I'm using Mrs. Butterworth pancake syrup along with the mix. This pancake mix is so good, and so is the syrup. Oh, it is sugar free. So before I get started, I would like to thank all my subscribers, my onlookers, and my undeciders for watching today, and also asking everyone to comment, like, and share this video. In order to comment, you have to scroll down some. And I said I needed to say this because when I started looking at different videos on YouTube, they'd be like comment, and I'm like, well, where do you comment at? Where do you comment at? And then one day I'm like, okay, scroll down some, which I did. Duh, it's right there. But and also my onlookers or undeciders, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and share this video. So now, let's see what it tastes like. I think I'm gonna go with that first. No, I'm not. I'm going to say my grace first. Father in heaven, thank you for the food, nourishment to my body, for Christ's sake. Amen. Well, it's good. Today is the first day, I guess, the pool opened up over here. But I've been riding around, and I've seen a couple of pools already open in June. I remember when I was growing up, the pools used to be open before school got out. But I guess not no more, due to all this violence. Hopefully, this summer we can have a violent-free summer. That's what we need. And I'm not a violent person. I hate to see a lot of violence going on. People, if you can talk it out, just talk it out. If you can't, walk away. I had laughed when I mentioned about the maple sausage patty. Because my sister-in-law had seen the video. One of my sister-in-laws had seen the video, and she texted me. She was like, "You ain't eating healthy." Because I think, what did I have today? I had the link sausages, cheese grits, and eggs. So, which I am going to start back, because I was on salads for a while. I just have to get the ingredients, or go to Salad Works. But Salad Works salad is just too big. To me, a salad from Salad Works will last about 3-4 days for me, which ain't good because the lettuce start getting all soggy and everything, and I don't do soggy now. Sister getting full. Cause I ate that whole burger last night. So, you have to be careful who you talk to. And watch what you say. I do know this. I'm so happy that God know me and understand me. But I can say, and I always say to people, that if you want to know something about me, don't assume. Ask me. Don't go around guessing. That's not a good look. And then you be all out and wrong. That ain't good. That ain't cool. And not just me, anybody. It tries to be drama free. I don't have time for no drama. I got too much on my plate to deal with. Things to do, people to see, places to go. Instead of some he say, she say, and they say, and you say, and Like, can I stay focused? Well, my peoples, I'm gonna say again, thanks for watching. I'm asking you to comment below. Scroll down some after the videos. Like this and share this video. And also to my onlookers and undeciders, please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, I had said yesterday that if you subscribe to my channel today on, please comment below so I know who you are, and if you have a channel or whatever, I can come on over to your channel. So again, have a blessed day and peace. I'm gone.